What's going on, Average Tech Guy here, and today we are going to be looking at a new pencil that I just got in. Now, I know you may be saying you already have the Apple Pencil, which Apple Pencil normally costs us around $100 or so. Remember, Apple Pencil Gen 2, the magnetic one, the one that sticks to the side. Well, that one sticks to the side as well. This one is from a company called Uogic. Now, I got this and I was really surprised because it works almost just like your regular Apple Pencil. This thing has palm rejection, it supports the tilt functionality, it does all the shortcuts that the Apple Pencil will do, and then it does one extra little thing that we're going to talk about very, very soon. Okay, so what can this device do? First off, it is a Bluetooth connected pencil. It actually has a button up here. You're gonna hold it down to pair it to your device. Also in the box itself, you're gonna get the pencil, you're gonna get the actual charging cable, the extra nibs, and all your information in the back. Now, this thing supports a fast charge. It has a 12-hour battery on it, but if you plug it up for about 4 minutes or so, you're gonna get a few hours on your battery. So it's really nice on the fast charge aspect. One of the only things I do not like about it is if you lose this little charger right here, and it's not very strong on the magnet, like I can disconnect it just by doing that. But if you lose this piece, that is your charger. So, keep up with this. Also, like I said, it does have the extra nib on the inside just in case it wears down. So we got 12 hours battery life. This thing is going to be compatible with all models of iPad starting at 2018 on up. So you're going to be able to use this with any of those Pro models that there are out there. So let's talk a little bit about connectivity and usage. So we actually have this one connected. So if you have an Apple Pencil Gen 2, just like with any other third-party stylus, you're not going to be able to have that Apple Pencil connected to this device while you are using it. So I'm going to get into one of the best features about this. The reason I'm using it with this mini is because it does support palm rejection. It does support tilt functionality. I'm going to try that out in just a moment, but I want to go ahead and show you this up front, because if you want to take a picture, let's say this tablet is probably one of the only tablets I'm taking a picture with, and if you press the top, it snaps a picture. Boom. Just like so. So it actually has the ability to snap a picture from the top Bluetooth shutter control right there. So with this form factor of the iPad, I probably will be taking some snaps just because it's so small, it's so lightweight, and I can just easily do it right there at the push of a button. And also this thing is magnetic. It does not charge magnetically, but it is magnetic, so you can keep up with it on the side of your iPad. So now that we've talked about functionality and all that, let's actually get down to the writing aspect and the shortcuts. Because with the Apple Pencil, shortcuts do work. And just like with this one, shortcuts will work. Screenshot from the bottom left-hand corner and the actual notes or the quick notes right there on the fly from the bottom of the right-hand corner. So another aspect we're going to talk about is the actual note function itself. We're going to just open up a note and then let's just do a little writing, because it does work with all of the iOS 15 updates, shapes, and different lines and drawing and all that good stuff. It works with all of that. Now, we're going to do some actual writing. So now what we're going to do is we're going to just test out the different palette. So we know that straight line goes across, and if you tilt that, it does nothing, right? But if we change to the highlighter and we hold it straight up, we get a straight line. If we tilt it, we get an even wider line. So tilt functionality does work. With the crayon, straight line gets thicker for shading and lighter for drawing. Now, like I said, you're not going to get pressure sensitivity. You do get palm rejection. I got my finger resting on the tablet. and it's still working. You do get tilt functionality, and you do get a 12-hour battery on this. So you're not gonna have to worry about it dying. Matter of fact, I've had this for about a week and it has not died on me yet. It does have an auto off feature. If you don't use it for so long, it'll shut itself off. And that's pretty much it. So for drawing, if you're really into drawing and you need that pressure sensitivity, you should look into getting an actual Apple Pencil. But if you're just a part-time dual kind of person, or if you're just looking for something that's pretty inexpensive, because these are going to run you about 30 bucks or so. 30 to 40 bucks, depending on where you pick them up at and what time. But I'm going to drop a link below so you can check it out for yourself. Anywhere from 30 to 40 bucks versus 100 to 110 bucks. I think it's really worth it. Only drawback is if you lose that charger, you're going to be in trouble. So please keep up with your charger. If you go out and pick up one of these, a nice stylus does almost everything the Apple Pencil does, with the exception of the pressure sensitivity as well as the wireless charging feature. And it does give you that camera shutter if you're going to take pictures with this device. And this will be the tablet to take pictures with, because it is a small form factor and you can pretty much hold it in one hand and keep it steady and stable. One of the best third-party styluses out there just because of that feature. Also, I do have a matte-like screen protector on here, so it feels really good while writing. I did write on it before I put this screen protector on, and it felt a little, it kind of tappy, like you would hear every single little tap. But the Apple Pencil kind of sounds that way as well. This one just a little more so. Like, the tip is not actually as soft as the Apple Pencil tip, which we don't expect it to be because it is third party. But still a great accessory for you to go out and check out. I'm going to drop that link below so you can do that for yourself. Until next time, be sure you give me that big thumbs up and please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.